Hi there. We're going to take a look at integrating using U-Substitution. Now, for this particular problem, I'm going to let you be the denominator. So I'm going to let you be the square root of x plus 3. So now we take the derivative. So the du would be 1 half x to the negative 1 half dx. Now really think about, I'm rewriting x, square root of x to the 1 half, and then I'm taking the derivative there. I might rewrite this du equals 1 over 2 square root of x dx. Now I'm going back to the square root only because I have a square root in the numerator I'm going to have to deal with. And so I'm going to solve for dx by multiplying both sides by the 2 square root of x. So now I'm going to not only sub in u for the square root of x, but I'm going to substitute in this for dx. So let's take a look at what our integral would look like. Our integral would look like square root of x. I'm not doing anything with that, not yet. And then I've got u on the bottom, and then I've got 2 times square root of x du from substituting in for my dx. Okay, so on the top, I now have 2x over u times du. And I get the x because square root of x times square root of x. So remember, I can't integrate until I have the entire integral in terms of u. So I've got to come back to this let u statement, and I need to see, okay, well, what would x equal based on that? So if u equals, we'll just say if u equals the square root of x plus 3, let's move the 3 over, and then let's square both sides. So now we can substitute in for x. So I've got 2 times u minus 3 squared over u times du. And now I have everything in terms of u, but it's not yet friendly enough or simplified enough that I want to take the integral yet. So let's go ahead and multiply out that numerator. U squared minus 6u plus 9. And then I'm going to distribute the u, I'm sorry, I'm going to distribute the 2, but I'm also going to make each fraction over u. So what that looks like, I've got 2u squared over u minus 12u over u plus 18 over u. And that's all du. Okay, one more simplifying step, and then I'm ready to integrate. So that gives me 2u minus 6 plus 18 over u. And now I'm ready to take the antiderivative. Okay, so the antiderivative of 2u would be u squared minus antiderivative of 6 would be 6u. And then the antiderivative of 18 over u would be 18 ln of u. And don't forget your constant of integration. Now, the problem started in x. We have to go back there. So now I'm going to place, in place of u, I'm going to put this square root of x plus 3 again. So I've got square root of x plus 3 squared minus 6 times square root of x plus 3 plus 18 ln of square root of x plus 3. And I drop the absolute values because they're not required. At this point, I can guarantee square root of x plus 3 is going to be positive. And then let's go one step further, and that is to go ahead and multiply this out and look for some like terms. So if I square that, I get x plus 6x plus 9. Nope, I get x plus 6 times square root of x plus 9 minus 6 square root of x minus 18 plus 18 ln of square root of x plus 3 plus a constant. So you can see these square root of x's are going away nicely. We can combine the 9 and the negative 18. So I get x minus 9 plus 18 ln of square root of x plus 3 plus c. So I hope that helps. as you're trying to work problems like this with a U substitution, but then also needing to sub back in for X. If you have comments or questions, or you need to see another video like this, another example, please leave a comment below. I would love the opportunity to help. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye for now.